Hello dear friends and colleagues, this is Dr. Tariq Diwan. Delighted to announce my collaboration with the amazing team of Practical Implantology for the second time in the UK. Soft tissue management is a crucial skill that you need to develop in your daily practice. Are you ready to elevate your soft tissue management skills in implant dentistry? Join us in London for a 3 days immersive experience. You will gain invaluable insights and hands-on expertise on specially designed models for soft tissue surgeries. So don't miss the chance to boost your career and to provide a top-notch patient care. In this course, we will be diving into deep insights and clinical cases in the following aspects: the art and science of creating a stable emergence profile and peri-emergence tissue complex, fundamental science and techniques for soft tissue harvesting, suturing, and graft manipulation for both free and pedicle grafts, clinical cases and workflows that illustrates the entire spectrum of soft tissue surgical techniques around implants placed in healed site or fresh extraction sockets. Don't forget that seats are limited, so secure your spot now, and looking forward to welcoming all of you.